Hey, hi friends, welcome to my video. So friends, if you like my videos, then please do subscribe my channel, like and share our videos. Thank you. So friends, today in this video we are watching the modern and beautiful window grill designs because grill designs plays an important role in the both interior and exterior of your home decor. They can add the aesthetic value to your windows and doors and are also crucial when it comes to security. So, however, more often window grill designs are overlooked when considering the home designs options. So, home decor and design should always consider grill design. So, first understand the some important points while making the window grill designs or choosing the right grill design for windows. First one is the material because iron is one of the best material for grill design for windows as it is much sturdier than any other grill design materials. Not just that, you can even mold the iron material in order to form the various other shapes and size like color. Another factor is the color of the grill for the windows. So iron grill design comes in a several colors while aluminum grill design usually comes in metal shades. You can choose that one that matches your taste. So grill design for windows comes in a variety of patterns. You can choose from a variety of grill sliding and different types of. So best materials for a grill design for window. Iron was one of the best materials for grill design for window as it is much sturdier than other grill design materials. You can even mold the material to different forms, size, shapes. Another is the cast iron material. Cast iron is another largely durable material which is opted for grill design for windows as it is protects the window grill from bad weather conditions. Stainless steel is one of the popular choice when it comes to picking the grill design for windows because stainless steel grill design for windows look more visually appealing than iron. Another material is the aluminium. Aluminium material is an appropriate choice for window grill design as it is light in weight, it is easy to maintain, it also comes in numerous designs. So the grill design is often the easiest option though it does not reflect aesthetics it is idle or contemporary decor. There you can see in this video I shown you the beautiful different designs of windows with the grill. So the customers who want design on their windows would still choose the windows grills because it provides the traditional look that they are looking for. Another, there is still a place for those older window grill design if you want them. A window grills also had advantages. It is used in securing your home, although it is seen as an element of the design. It is good to install a grill to secure large windows or the small that would give easy access to introduce if you manage to break it. So window grills that are made for security are built using strong material which prevents people from breaking in. These are fastened on the window through screws that are dug deep into the frame, making it hard to remove. So, good window grill also serve as an energy saving installation for homes. The coating on your window should have a low emission property to keep unnecessary energy from leaking outside of your house. This helps in improving the performance and efficiency of the electricity inside your house. There are the different designs. There are the different colors available for window grills, and you should choose one that ultimately matches the overall look if you're going for. There are certain window finishes that match well with the designs that you're going for. The style of the grills used could also contribute to both security and the design. These are usually paired with the window designs. And there are also the different types of material used for window grills. The populars are iron, cast iron, steel. In this video I shown all the different types of materials with different designs, so that you will get the idea to select the best designs for your house with different designs windows. So friends, if you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much.